And we pick up this segment with some more track and field action because Garfield Gordon and Heba Elzoheery were the male and female winners of the 14th staging of the CB Group UWI 5K held on Sunday at the UMONI campus. Gordon ran 15 minutes 28 seconds on his way to winning the men's 5K. Kemar Leslie stopped the clock at 15 minutes 44 seconds for second, ahead of Royal Gordon 15 minutes 54 seconds in third.
I went out hard. I'm trying to keep my pace. I have a little competition for the first 3K. After the 3K mark, I make my move and step away. When I reach the 4K, it was just me alone, so I just easy and take my time coming.
In the women's equivalent, Egyptian Elzoheery finished in 22 minutes 15 seconds, Christine Green 22 minutes 28 seconds, and Bella Nicole 23 minutes 51 seconds rounded out the podium spots.
Yeah, it was very nice. It was my first time doing this route. I enjoyed it. Lots of downhill. Yeah, it was a nice time.
Now, some of the proceeds from the 5K will be used to help UWI students who were negatively impacted by Hurricane Melissa last October.
Very important event to support our students, especially post-Hurricane Melissa, where a lot of students may have to make a choice between coming to school and actually fixing their roofs, fixing their homes and stuff. This event will provide them with funding that can ensure that they continue with their university education.
Meanwhile, in the wheelchair race, Jerome Vincent 43 minutes 27 seconds and Vinette Green 35 minutes 11 seconds took top honors in the male and female category. The close proximity of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championship saw a lower turnout of just over 3,500 participants compared to over 4,000 last year.